My day-to-day is definitely very go, go, go in the city. And so when I get out to Montauk, I just want to be beachy and in a bikini and sweatpants most of the time. I'm Kit Keenan, I'm 19, and I live between New York and Montauk. I saw this place in the fashion industry where it's like, I hadn't seen like a streetwear brand made by a girl and targeted towards women. As the brand grows, I completely reinvent. So it challenges me as a designer, and it keeps people wanting to see what the next transformation is going to be. They might have thought the brand was going in this kind of girly, white, lacy direction, and then now it's all hardcore, like Skull Bunny streetwear stuff. I think I'll have 30 jobs by the time I'm 30. And right now what I'm doing has had like a little spark, a little fire, and I'm just gonna kind of roll with this for a while and see how it goes. But I know I'm such a daredevil. I'm too curious to just stop at one thing.